Hey guys, welcome to So Freaking Good. Today we're making what I like to call lazy cabbage rolls. It's a one-pot meal of meat and veggies that I like to serve over rice. It has all the flavors of traditional cabbage rolls with none of the work. It takes about 20 minutes to come together. It's super simple, super delicious, and so freaking good. Start by thinly shredding some cabbage. Here I'm using a vegetable peeler for extra thin slices. After that, you're going to grate 1 carrot and finally slice up 1 medium onion into small, manageable pieces. Heat up some olive oil in a heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. You can add a little bit of salt to help get things going, and then keep stirring occasionally until the onion is deliciously caramelized. Once the onions have browned, you're going to add in 2 pounds of ground meat. I'm using ground chicken here. A little bit more salt, as well as some coriander, dried dill, and granulated garlic. Add in some tomato paste, a dash of balsamic vinegar, and a drizzle of maple syrup or date syrup. Then you're going to add in your cabbage and carrots, a bit more salt, and stir everything. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes and serve over rice. Lazy cabbage rolls aren't cabbage rolls at all, but they are much easier to make and just as delicious. Next time you're not sure what to make for dinner, try these super healthy and delicious lazy cabbage rolls. They're so freaking good. Work required. Vegetables cooked in one pot. Nope.